I am about to make my first for sale by owner cold call. I got this lead from Zillow. Just gonna do it. Okay. Hopefully I don't get this.
Hello.
Hi, I'm calling about your house for sale by owner. Are you the owner?
I am.
Hi, this is Julieniz. I'm with Keller Williams. The reason I'm calling is because I actually work in your area and I wanted to find out what I can do to help you.
Bring me a buyer and get your 3% buyer's agent commission.
Oh, okay, that's cool. So you guys are willing to cooperate with an agent, it sounds like.
Yeah, did you read that whole Zillow listing?
Let me see it. I have it pulled up in here. Oh yes, I see it at the end. Got it. Okay. So
I'm
what?
very happy to work with you on a 3% buyer's agent commission basis. And you live in this area, or you?
Yes.
You work this area. Where do you live?
I actually live right a little bit up in like dirt.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Over by Corey Isles.
What was that?
You live over by Corey Isles?
No, I live a little bit more towards like.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So, you guys, how long are you planning to do it for sale by owner?
I plan on doing it until we sell it.
Okay, got it. And is there a reason why you did it? You did it for sale by owner?
Why?
Yeah.
Well, now that Al Gore has invented the internet, it's so much easier to use.
Oh yeah, I get it. Like trying to save a little bit on the commission and stuff.
Yeah, not just a little bit, a lot, right? Like half. Yeah. So, I got my first real estate license 55 years ago.
Oh my gosh.
When I was 18 in the state of New York. I didn't work, I didn't continue to work in real estate. I went off to college and did something else, but I grew up around the industry. My mom was a realtor in New York, but
how's she doing over there?
How's what? I'm sorry?
How's your mom doing in New York? Is she still in New York?
Bruh.
Well, let's see. If I got my license 55 years ago when I was 18, wonder how old that would make my mother.
Don't cry, 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 don't cry.
You're
105?
Oh, you never know.
Okay. All right. So here's the thing. If you've got a buyer, bring them on.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm not interested in listing. I don't want to waste any of your time. But yeah, that's why I'm on Zillow. Not to. If I wanted to find a realtor, I know a few. But yeah. If you got a buyer.
Good. Okay.
Here's my rationale.
Yeah. Go ahead.
If you have a list, you go out and list a place, and you don't sell it, somebody else sells it, your office gets the 3%, the half of the 6. Those are your board parameters, right? Or you have a customer who says, "Hey, I really like this house over there," and you say, "Oh, okay, but that's listed by XYZ," but you take them and you get your 3%. So if you really want, to sell a place, as opposed to list it and hope someone else sells it, by all means, I'll work with you on a 3% buyer's agent basis. So think about it. You've been working with anybody lately that might be interested in a 3-2 in this area?
Well, okay. Yeah, I mean, I don't have, I haven't seen like the house in person or anything, so I don't know if it would be a great fit for any of my buyers. But I will definitely keep an eye out and see if that's something that, they would like to see. Would you be doing like virtual tours or something?
I would let someone come in. I just downloaded Zillow's app for their maybe the 3D tour, whatever.
Oh yes, I heard about that one. Yeah.
There's a walk tour through, so I think I'm going to do both of those. But I would allow someone in the house if they'll come in with face masks on, and I have no issue with letting someone in.
Okay, no problem then. Well, I wish you the best of luck, and yeah, thank you so much.
I wish you the best of luck. I hope you find the buyer soon.
Oh yeah, I mean, I'll get to it. We'll see what happens. We'll be in touch, hopefully.
You're going to do the selling, right?
Well, oh yes.
Okay.
Always.
So get back with me.
No problem. What was your name?
George.
Alright, George. My name is Julieniz, so I hope everything goes well, okay?
All right.
And we'll be in touch.
A day or two when you get your buyer, let me know.
Oh yeah.
All right, take care.
You too. Bye bye. Why am I shaking so much? So obviously I was really nervous. First of all, because I haven't studied my scripts 100%. I just kind of did it, right? So that's for reason one. Second of all, I don't know, like, he said he had a couple of realtors. So, I mean, I'll definitely be checking on this property and like following up if it doesn't sell in like a month. But, yeah, I mean, there's only so much I can do. He sounds so knowledgeable. Alright, well, that was the first one. You gotta get through these. You have to get through these in order to, you know, gain experience. It's the only way. You know? I didn't expect to get that one, but you know, you gotta try it out. This one says, this one's been on the market for 4 days. So that's the other thing. I've been making sure that these are fresh for sale by owners. It's a beautiful house. I gotta be more confident. I have to. And the only way I can be more confident is to like know my scripts, know what I'm gonna say, and yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm still processing what just happened. So, okay, so I'm looking at this other property. This one is $345,000. It's 4-bed, 3-bath. It was listed for sale by owner 4 days ago. But they've been trying to sell it since October, it looks like.
Hello?
Hi, I'm calling about your house for sale by owner. Are you the owner?
I am.
Oh, awesome. This is Julieniz. I'm actually with Keller Williams, and the reason I'm calling is because I actually work in your area, and I wanted to find out, is there anything I can do to help you?
Oh, I appreciate it. Thank you. If I do it listed on the MLS, I already have a realtor I've worked with in the past.
Oh, awesome. That's good. That's good. Okay. Well, yeah, I wish you the best of luck, and if you need anything, let me know, okay? My name is Julieniz.
Sure.
What was your name?
Joanne, if you have a buyer, please definitely give me a call back.
Absolutely, will do. So you're willing to cooperate with an agent, you said?
Yes.
In terms of commission?
Yes.
Okay. How much would that be, if you don't mind?
It depends on if it's a cash or a finance buyer.
Got it. Okay. Cash or finance. No problem. And I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name. What was it?
Joanne.
Julian? Oh, almost like my name.
No, Joanne. J-O-A-N.
Oh, Joanne. Okay, Joanne. All right, Joanne. Well, thank you so much. And if I come across a buyer, I will definitely reach out to you.
Sounds great. Thank you.
Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. What is a good objection to? I already work with a buyer. It was right here. We've already chosen an agent, or we already set. I could have gotten that lead. Oh my god. Okay, so here's the objection for that. So she said her name was Joanne. So I talked to Joanne and I talked to George. Right, so Joanne said that she already has a realtor that she works for. So here's what I should have said. I understand, sorry. Oh, okay, I understand not wanting to parade a bunch of agents through, huh? Ugh. Let me rephrase that. Oh, okay, so you don't want a bunch of agents, you don't want to be interviewing a bunch of agents, huh? Okay, so what if you knew you could have it sold for top dollar in less than 30 days guaranteed? Okay, I can't say that. That's weird. I could say, Okay, so I'm not gonna waste your time or mine. You're obviously a sharp gal, and when we get together, if you feel like our conversation isn't going anywhere, or you decide don't, can't say that. Wait, I can't say I'm full of. What is this script? Let me write this down. So you decide. I'm never gonna say that. Okay, if you feel like our conversation isn't going anywhere at any point, you simply say the word and I'll leave. No pressure. We'll just shake hands and be friends. Fair enough? Well, we can't shake hands because of Corona. So, you can just kick me out. And that's it. Yeah. So she said, oh, if I were to list it, I already have a realtor that I work with. Okay, good. So I'll be straight to the point. I'm not going to waste your time or mine. You're obviously a sharp gal, and when we get together, if you feel like our conversation isn't going anywhere at any point, you simply just say the word and I'll just leave, and we can just be, well, we won't shake hands because of Corona, but we can still be friends. Fair enough. Okay. I need to learn these objections. I can't just cold call like this. It's not being efficient.
Hello?
Hi, I'm calling about your house for sale by owner. Are you the owner? Did they just hung up on me?
No one is available to take a call right now. Please leave.